Hello everyone, I am Queen Basmati, here with a new piece of information from the series Microbes, Creators of Civilization. Today's information is titled The Pharaonic Microbic Refrigerator. Imagine that microbes used to be involved in preserving the pharaoh's food without them even knowing it. Yeast, for example, was the star of the pharaonic kitchen. They used it to ferment bread and beer, and it was used in many things, but most notably baked goods, bread, and food. Pharaohs also used beneficial microbes that fight spoilage, such as lactic acid bacteria, which made cheese and yogurt. These bacteria produced substances like organic acids, such as lactic acid, and also produced alcohols and carbon dioxide. These substances lowered the pH or acidity of the environment, creating a setting that prevented harmful microbes from growing, so the food remained intact for a longer period. They also used pickling with salt and honey, which encouraged microbes that thrive in high salinity and a high sugar environment. This helped preserve many foods, such as the salt-tolerant microbes that helped preserve fish, olives, and meats, and prevented the growth of spoilage-causing bacteria. In honey, there are also enzymes produced by beneficial microbes that made the environment lethal to any harmful microbe. They also used food drying. Drying was sufficient to kill harmful microbes, while leaving the beneficial microbes in a state of stability. Even if they are activated later, they are still in the end beneficial bacteria. In short, the pharaohs didn't know microbes by name, but they used them as if they had a small research lab in every home. Stay tuned for new information from Microbes, Creators of Civilizations.